Hi my friends, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333 where you can find the most authentic and firm, strongest trading ideas and news, solutions for your trading, and educational videos as well. Today we'll discuss about the Wanchain, and the Wanchain is also giving another trading opportunity, so we'll see that trade also. But before starting, I would suggest you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more beneficial videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. First, I would like to share the part of the news with you from Crypto Potato, and you can also find this news on different websites on the internet that Wanchain's price increased by over 50% over the past 2 days after major announcement from the team behind the project. The company announced that they'll begin earning rewards for securing the network when the proof of stake, which is also called the POS, consensus algorithm, replaces the previous permission proof of work, the PPoW algorithm, on September 3rd. And there is some more part of the news I want to share with you, and that is a day before the launch of the Wanchain's validator nodes on the mainnet, the company announced the release of several new products prior to the mainnet official launch: an Android mobile wallet, desktop light wallet, and new website were introduced to the public. Now let's move to the CoinMarketCap to see what happened after these activities. And this is the CoinMarketCap. I'm just taking you to the Wanchain, historical data of Wanchain. And this is the historical data, and here you can see up to 21st of August the market cap was $22 million and the trade volume was $1.5 million. And today the market cap is increased up to $28.5 million, and the market cap is $46.2 million, and the trade volume is $28.5 million. Now let's move to the charts and see what happened with the charts. And this is trading view. I'm just taking you to the live chart of Wanchain. It will be day chart, Wanchain BTC. And this is the live day chart of Wanchain, the Binance chart. And here you can see how the price action exploded. It gave more than or around 200% in just 1 or 2 days. This is 21st of August and this is 24th of August. I'm just placing the measurement tool from here up to here, and you can see almost 200% is produced within 1 or 2 days. Even up to today, it is in 131% almost in profit. You can see I'm just placing the measurement tool again up to here, and you can see almost up to 130 or 24% in profit the Wanchain is at the moment. Now there is a lot trade volume in the Wanchain. Now the Wanchain can give us daily trade chances, daily trades, even on the smaller charts. Now there will be a good volatility in the Wanchain and good up and downs in the price action. Today I have found the first trade for you, and that is the Wanchain is forming a bullish cipher. And this is my chart, one of the most popular charts on the trading view, on second number at this time. I'm just opening this chart. And on this chart you can see all the legs are perfectly formed as required for the bullish cipher pattern. This is initial X to A leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 1.272 to 1.414 Fibonacci. And now the C to D leg should be retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is the 4-hour chart, and you can see the MACD is still strong bearish on this 4-hour chart. So we can expect that this leg will be retraced or entered within this potential reversal zone. And these are my buying range, and these are my sell targets. You can also see these targets here clearly on this chart description. So this can be up to 24% profit. And do remember that this potential reversal zone is our stop loss. If the candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should sell our asset and take exit from the trade. This is the first trade. In the future, it will give us a lot of chances, a lot of trades, and I'll be keep posting the trades of Wanchain with you. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more beneficial trading ideas and educational videos. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.